What's up, YouTube? So I'm back for a video after a long hiatus, and I thought I'd just give you an update on what's going on with the lancair build. So I lost my hanger and ended up moving into my garage, and I've been setting it up, trying to make room, and spent a great deal of time over the Christmas holidays getting everything ready. So you've got my sandblaster here, all new cabinets, and the amazing hex light lighting system, and I've got the kit in here now too. I got some cool stuff for Christmas for myself, the mini fridge, and not quite finished yet, but I got some cool lighting. I've got a few more cabinets coming that'll go up here above the horizontal build table, and I've got the slow build kit in the garage now, and I'm going to start setting it up. I've got everything ready to put the main spar in. I've already basically lined everything up, but yeah, this is going to be the new build area, and it's going to take me a little bit of time, but hopefully we're going to have this thing on gear by spring break. I've got the shocks on order, and just wanted to give you a sneak peek. Got the garage all organized, and yeah, we ought to be able to make some progress. So looking forward to creating some more content, and just wanted to say Happy New Year. Welcome to 2026, and hope everyone had a great holiday, Christmas, and we'll see you soon.